So this will probably be my last live trade review because my office is going to start and I won't be able to record from office like in person. So I'll be doing a post trade recording still in any case. Like so today I'm trying this for the first time, the post trade recording. So today I had three trades. Uh, First I went short on, like this is a lot of trades, but there are a lot of rejected orders over here. I'll some show it through this. Okay, so first I went short on Nifty at 69.87. I'll show you the chart and time also more or less I remember. So I went short, here when the price started coming down here. I went short almost at this point, exactly at this point. In fact, um, price started going up, and I used and came down below that again. So then I moved my stop loss a little too soon to 1740, and this trade got stopped out. So I lost a few points here, almost 3,000 I think. So here I got stopped out on this trade. Actually, I have the exact points also. So yeah, I lost 50 points here, 3,000 bucks, right? 50 points here, and then I re-entered this short. So I could see, like, I read the price momentum as it being weak, and at the same time, I was looking at Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also had not even once crossed above the VWAP. So I was kind of certain that there would be weakness coming in again. So I went short again at 17,007. So that's even before the lines had crossed over. So after I got stopped out, price had started moving down, and I went short immediately. So almost two candles after I got stopped out, I went short again, and this I held almost till day end, and then I closed it at 16,843 because of closing, and it went down further 40 points after I closed actually. But yeah, fine. Like, I mean, I was going to close this trade. I was very tempted to carry this trade, but the thing is that this whole fall was news driven. The Ukraine crisis that's happening, Ukraine Russia war potentially. Um, so that sentimental based fall, is risky because if there is any positive sentiment, it will gap up and go all the way up. So it didn't make sense for me to carry the trade. At the same time, my third trade was to go short on Bank Nifty through a put option. So you can see I had a put option of 37,200. I made some 4,000 bucks on this. So I closed it at 600, 599, and I had entered it at around 400 I think. Yeah, so I made 100 points on that. Uh, 200 points, sorry, 200 points on that. Uh, yeah, so Bank Nifty short was a really nice short. I actually wish I would have gone short on Bank Nifty futures instead of options. So I went short somewhere around here when this crossover happened and held it till day end. So here also I was tempted to take delivery, but I didn't. So yeah, that's the recap for my day. Uh, 200 points on Bank Nifty and 100 points on 110 points on Nifty. So overall, I'm now at a loss still, but I've recovered a significant part of what I did lose. So yeah, it's been a good start to February so far. Markets though haven't had a very good time. So just looking at daily, so I was considering taking delivery. So that time I looked at two things. First, I looked at hourly chart, and based on the hourly chart, it was at a target, right? It was right here, which was my target. So a break below this, I didn't have any target on hourly chart. So I zoomed up to 1 hour or 1 day, and 1 day it is possible, that it will go lower. So my 1 day target is 17,720. So that's another 100 points from here. So I'm thinking it just might gap down tomorrow directly here and start moving up. But yeah, like it didn't make sense to risk a reversal to 17,300. Hmm? So that's 500 points for just 100 points. So the win loss didn't make sense to me. Now my target is 16,400 and then all the way down to 15,000, 15,500 levels somewhere here. So initially it should stop over here after like this first 16,720 followed by 16,470, and then there's nothing stopping it all the way down till 15,500. Uh, but I didn't take the short trade. And same for Bank Nifty also. So Bank Nifty is in the cloud, so that's why I didn't hold that position. It's quite likely that it will pull back. Bank Nifty hourly though is interesting. So Bank Nifty 1 hour still has space to go. So 38,800 all the way down to 38,300. That's 500 more points for Bank Nifty. So it was tempting. It was tempting. I'm not going to lie to hold it, but I had a few losses. So I decided to take my gains and you run away. So anyway, this is going to be my new way of recording these things from tomorrow. After I come home late in the evening or something, I just make a recording and review my trades and upload them. Uh, so I guess shorter videos now going forward. All right, that's it for today.